1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon salt, ground pepper, make sure your oil is hot, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. And slowly and carefully fry the chicken wings. Depending on how spicy you want your hot wings, it will be. All right. Then before you serve it, just add your sauce on top. Chicken wings, guys. Spicy chicken wings, guys. Enjoy. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the cooking video that I just shared with you. To all the subscribers of Chef Ron Bilaro YouTube channel, marami pong salamat sa aking mga Chef Ron Bilaro Instagram followers. Salamat sa inyong lahat. And syempre, hindi ko naman malilimutan ang aking Chef Ron Bilaro Facebook page, followers and friends. Maraming salamat po. You know, it cuts both ways. It inspires me when I see you pressing the like, giving me positive comments, and also sharing my cooking videos. So, if you don't mind doing that, please continue. Alright, more dishes to come. God bless everybody. Alright, you know I always love you. You know that. Love you, everyone. Bye.